Hey, look, I'm not saying we can become God. We become His children. We're adopted into His family. We become the partakers of His divine nature when you are born again from above. All the good things, love, honor, respect, with morality, a servitude of morality toward others, to help, lead, guide. We all have gifts. Unselfishness, to try to help others, always. Through love and respect, Look, which is opposite and opposed to this world. The nature of the flesh, from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil that we've become when we've been born into the flesh, which is selfishness, pride, bitterness, indignation, loving yourself, putting yourself ahead of everybody and everything else. The nature of the flesh. God's purifying His kingdom here, this world. The spiritual is being played out in the physical. Right here. The purification of His kingdom. We become grafted in to the tree of life when we are born again from above. I'm not saying we can become God. Jesus is God. He is His representative. He is the Alpha and the Omega. Make no mistake about it. And we become partakers of His divine nature when we're born again from above. We become His child, right? Just wanted to make that clear. Understand who you are, who Jesus Christ is, and what this world is. This world is a strong delusion. Get it? Get it? Wake up. Wake up. It's time to wake up. It's time to go home. Love you all. Love and respect everybody. God bless. Have a great day.